In this video, I'll show you how to customize the writing style in Claude AI. This allows you to control the tone, format, and type of responses Claude generates. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll click the plus icon on the left side of the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll click Use Style. This will open the Styles menu, where I can choose from several preset styles such as normal, learning, concise, explanatory, and formal. If I want to create my own writing style, I'll click Create and Edit Styles. This will open the Custom Style section, where I can create a new style. Here, I can describe the tone, voice, and type of writing I want Claude to use. For example, I could create a style that is friendly, professional, or simple for beginners. I can also paste examples of my own writing so Claude can analyze it and match that style. After defining the style, I'll save it. Now whenever I want to use that style, I can open the Use Style menu again and select the custom style I created. Claude will then generate responses that match the tone and format of that writing style. And that's it, I've successfully customized the writing style in Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.